Folks, we have one of the best restored cars in my entire inventory sitting right here. It's a 1972 Corvette. There's less than 20 miles on a meticulous nut and bolt body off frame restoration. I mean, this thing is amazing, better than when it rolled out of the factory. It's a factory red over red, number match 350, number match automatic trans, has air, steering, and brakes. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the information about the car. Take your time to look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with that monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when a new one is posted. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. I have to ask you to take your shoes off, though, getting into this car. It's really that nice. So the body was lifted off the frame. Every component under this car was disassembled, stripped, painted, detailed. All of the suspension. These have front and rear independent suspension, all rebuilt. Gas shocks, bushings, ball joints, springs, steering components, the power steering control valve, the steering box, all of that was redone. It has disc brakes at all four wheels. The entire brake system's restored. The lines, the hoses, the calipers, the e-brake assembly, everything. Correct dual exhaust system with the mufflers in the back like they're supposed to be. The tailpipe comes out through the valance. The chassis itself and all the suspensions all painted black. You look up at the motor, it's pristine Chevy orange. The motor mounts, the fuel pump, the starter, all look new. It has the original Turbo 400. That's the heavy-duty automatic. Still has the 1972 tag riveted to the side, and the VIN number matches the car. That's all restored, looks like new. The drive shaft and U-joints restored. The rear axle shafts are restored. It has a 308 posi rear end, correct for this car. The fiberglass floors look like they're in pristine shape, no damage. The spare tire carrier is all there. Literally under this car looks like brand new. The detailers literally today just kind of joked about it. They barely had to even wipe it. It's that nice. The mechanic raved about this car. He said it's the first Corvette that we did not have to fix the vacuum wiper door or the headlight doors. Yet this car just passed our shop's inspection with flying colors. Speaking of flying colors, it's a factory Millie Miglia red. It's the factory red that they had that year in red interior. According to the tag, that's how it was born. I started off by saying this is better than new. That's because the paint jobs did not look like this when they left the factory. I already went around the body. From what I can tell, it's pristine. I don't see any bad body work or anything showing, anything funny. I don't see any cracking. All the gaps are real nice, straight. I mean, the car's really straight. No damage, no issues. All lines up beautifully. Said no body work showing. All of this is mint condition. Lines up real nice. Headlight doors line up real nice. It's all smooth up here, straight. The paint looks like liquid red glass, polished like a mirror reflection. All the bumpers, emblems, like all of this up here is restored. It all fits real well. It has the weather shields that protect the headlights when they're down. They're behind the grill there. Windshield, actually I think all three windows are new. All this stainless trim is either new or it's been professionally polished. 15x8 rally wheels all look like brand new, and these are the reproduction wide oval super sport tires. All the window seals, weather strips, all replaced. Now, the convertible tops sit on the paint. It left a real faint mark. This would probably still buff out. And there is a chip right here from the convertible top. When the top is up, that's just a problem area with these Corvettes. That is the only flaw I found in the entire paint job. Again, it's like red glass everywhere I looked. The bumpers are re-chromed, tail lights, all the trim, that's all redone. Even the gas cap is anodized. Correct antenna, it looks new. Now we have pictures of the convertible top on our website. It's a black top, restored like new. We're going to open it up, take you on a tour inside. This is truly one of the best restorations. Here's what would happen if you tried to do this. To find a red on red number matching Corvette Roadster, you're going to pay 40 grand for one meeting work. Then you're going to take it to a restoration shop. They're going to tell you 60 to 80,000 to redo the car. A year later, by the time it's done, you're going to have well over 100 in the restoration, plus the 40 you paid for the car, and you can only hope that's going to be as nice as this car. Now, let's look at the jambs. They're painted slick. The weather strips are replaced. The sill plates are replaced. It's all done neatly. Everything fits right. All new red door panels. Looks like all the trim, the window cranks all replaced. This entire dash area is mint. The dash pad, the pillars, the whole instrument area, the lenses, the knobs, the vents, the switch, the bezel, the gauges, quartz movement in the clock, factory radio, everything is mint. Kick panels, new red carpet front to back. This whole thing is restored, all of it. The seat belts are restored. Now these seats are nice and plump. They've been completely rebuilt. They've been recushioned, reupholstered. Steering column is a tilt, telescopic, new deluxe wheel. Everything looks like new. You can see the top frame. This was stripped and painted. All new rubber, new top, interior light works. Look under the lid. Just every component, nut, bolt, everything. And this car looks new everywhere you look. Look in the nooks and crannies, and it's like new. Now this is the VIN number matching 350 motor, completely restored to factory condition. Stock exhaust and valve covers and intake. There's a restored factory carburetor underneath the air cleaner, correct air cleaner, correct ignition shielding. Again, features power brakes, power steering, and factory air. And every component, every hose, everything looks like new. Has the complete fan and shroud and radiator, all looks real nice. Down here, the actuators and all the correct rubber hoses for the vacuum system looks like new. Here's the factory air conditioning system. Look at the actuators and the hoses and the lines and the relays. Look down deep in the nooks and crannies, and this car is like new. I like the sound of the cam in this car. A little low-key sound. Idle smooth. Revs up nice and cleanly. Gauges all seem to be working. vacuum headlights. They work. They're a little slow. Seatbelt light and buzzer are working. Now, this car's from the estate of a Corvette collector. We have a 74 silver Corvette with the aluminum wheels. It's from the same collection, and that car is also amazing. This car it's as good as they get. It truly is. So if you want the best of the best, there's a lot of cars that look great and all new paint, all new interior. No, they went the extra. The screws right here are shiny. And again, the mechanic, my lead mechanic, told me this car just passed with flying colors. Everyone here in the shop had nothing but amazing things to say about this car. So if you want the best, here it is. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They can help you finance it and even get it delivered to your door at volocars.com. Now, if you like the video, subscribe. Click on the bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.